All right, so work has started on our subframe here. Got some welds going for this plate. We're gonna finish everything up soon. But today, we're doing some hub work. What's going on, guys? Kevin, back again with the 6 Streets YouTube channel.
Hey, how you guys doing? Yeah.
And we're tackling hubs today. We got one over here that's been done. Got all the wheel seals in. Just got to take care of spherical bushings after, but we're gonna try it out on that one first. New studs, didn't cut them this time. We got new drums, springs, the whole hardware kit for the drums are new. So yeah, this whole hub is pretty much fully refreshed, and we're gonna do the same to this one. And then just slap everything together once we have our subframe reinforced, and we got a whole new rear end in the car.
Alright guys, first step we're gonna be doing is actually removing this piece. You're gonna have to beat on it a little bit on the side, but you could split it open and it comes out. It takes a little bit of effort, but you take that out. And then after that we have the seal. As you can see, it is there still. Okay, we'll take the seal later. First we're gonna try to take the hub out by making the little tool that we made and pushing it down, and it should come off. Half of the bearings to stay inside the sleeve, and then let's start with that. All right guys, sometimes you have to beat it. If you have something to press, it'll be better, but we've been beating it for a little while. It comes out. You just have to make it through the half of this bearing sleeve.
This half right here?
Yes.
It's got to come out first. And you take that.
Yeah, it's pressed in, but it's not like super pressed in. The pieces are like this. Then as soon as you break that piece coming out, use a piece of aluminum to hit it. Okay? Otherwise, you could damage that. You can't hit it with steel. It has to be aluminum. Alright, next step after this, we should do is use the cheese cutters and remove all these parts, but we should do the studs first.
Yeah,
studs.
I think studs.
Studs, yeah, let's do the studs. And
which, as you guys see, we actually had to cut these when I had to put them on while they were on the car. But now that everything's out, much better to have the proper length. Hence why I got new ARPs. Now you see here, brand new, full length, installed properly. And we were able to press them in rather than just
use the impact.
Hammer them or use an impact. There we go, now we have pressure.
And try it out. Boom, one.
Much more efficient than a hammer. That's it. This
Easy.
one's out.
Yeah, easy, yeah. Very easy.
You guys have to make sure to get this bearing puller here at AutoZone to be able to get this bearing off. And we've kind of rigged this up to hold this above. But if you got something better, by all means use that. Or just rig it how you can to press this out. There we go. It's almost done coming through. There you go. Nice and easy. Just change the seal after and replace the bearing.
We'll put the new seal in. Simple. Right in, yay.
So that's your front, and then you got a fatter rear here that you have to change at the end of it, which we'll get to after. Nice.
Perfect.
Nice and flush.
Dude, the biggest problem we have. There you go.
So now we just gotta put this one, and this thing's all back together pretty much.
Now I forgot how.
It's starting to look like a wheel hub again.
Yeah.
Like a whole hub.
I think I did it like this. Yeah, that's the way I did it.
Spin smoothly and everything. Well, not that smoothly. It'll loosen up later. And so now, handbrake.
Handbrake.
And it's a whole new assembly then. Alright, so 2 all new hub assemblies. We got all wheel studs pressed in, drum brakes rebuilt. Got the drums and the hardware kit off of Rock Auto. Everything's pretty much brand new, new bearings, you name it. The only old thing left is the metal around this whole thing and spherical bushings that we have to get to right here. That's about it. Got those from Drift Motion, and this thing is pretty much ready to go.